There are major problem. The moonlight activities is impacting in your career. As per our agreement, in case of any new updates in the dual employment, definitely I will publish our channel. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay. And now, what is the new updates? The new update is each and every corporate companies, even small companies also, every month end they are downloading the mass of data from PF account and tracking your past service history. The reason is, are you doing the dual employment after joining this company, or did you submit any fake certificate? Did you hide any service history based on the PF account? Did you hide any terminated absconding service history? For these reasons, they are downloading the mass of data from PF account and tracking each and every month. Okay. So this is the new update. Okay. If you find this information is good, please like this video and share to your friends. Okay. Always I will upload in case of anything new things happened, especially in dual employment terminations. I'm publishing our channel. If you need any suggestion, any solution for dual employment, you can contact to me. So honestly, I'm telling the truth, my dear followers. I'm telling the truth. I'm not blaming you. I'm not pushing you something. So what is happening in the current situation, that is what I'm educating to you people. Okay. So most of the people following our channel and they got the solution. Okay, especially for termination and dual employment, there is a different trick to escape from the background verifications. If you need that, if you need the solution, my mail ID is available in this video description. You can contact to me. Once you've done your consulting fee, definitely I will help you. I will give you a clear solution to you people. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Always give thumbs up. And most of our followers watching our channel without subscribing our channel. And please subscribe. There are so much for subscribed people. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and always support our channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.